Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the speaker on your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G isn't working correctly. First of all, check the volume levels using volume buttons on your device, and also check if you are adjusting the sound volume for the media that you want to hear on your device. To do so, tap the three dot icon right here at the top bar of at the top of the sound bar, and then adjust the sound volume for the media that you want to use. Make sure that your phone isn't in the silent mode, and the do not disturb mode isn't enabled on your phone too. If this isn't helping you, you can try cleaning the speaker grill with a soft brush. Do not insert any metallic tools into your speaker grill. Just use a soft brush to carefully remove any debris or dirt or dust that could have potentially got stuck in it. Also, try disabling Bluetooth in Quick Settings menu by tapping on this Bluetooth icon to make sure that your speaker sound isn't rerouted to your Bluetooth device. And try testing your speaker in the safe mode to make sure that no third-party application is running in the background and is using your speakers at the moment. To enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to short press power button and volume up key. Then swipe down to reboot. Wait until the Xiaomi logo appears on your screen. And once it appears on your screen, wait for about 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down button until until the logo changes with the following one and your phone slightly vibrates. At this point, you can release the volume down key and just wait for your device to boot into the safe mode. And now try checking your speakers in the safe mode. If everything works, if the speaker starts working for you right now, then check the application that could have caused this issue in settings. Then in settings, just check permissions. And in permissions, check music and audio, and check which kind of application could have used your music and audio. And if you see some application that you don't know here, just restrict music and audio usage for this device. Then restart your phone by holding down the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Swipe down to reboot. Wait until your phone is restarted. And once your device is restarted, in addition to everything else, you can also disable the airplane mode, reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and then check for available software updates in About Phone, Xiaomi HyperOS, and check if you have any available updates. If you do have available updates for your device, download and install them, and let your device restart once again. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.